Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to explain about handicrafts and handlooms. Handicrafts. A handicraft, sometimes more preciously expressed as artisanally handicraft or handmade, is any of a wide variety of types work where useful and decorative objects are made completely by hand or by using only simple tools. Types of craft: textiles, applique, crocheting, embroidery work, knitting, lac making, macrame, quilting, tapestry art, weaving, woodcraft, papercraft, glasscraft, jewelry. Other examples of craft work. There are many examples. In this picture, the one boy is painting a pot in North India. Okay. Handicraft is a type of a craft where people make things using only their hands or basic tools. Also, handicraft things are different from arts and crafts because they are meant to be used for something. Handicraft items are generally constructed with mass production. Weaving a cloth. Okay. Handlooms. Any of various looms or weaving devices operated wholly or partly by hand or foot power. A handloom is a loom that is used to weave cloth without the use of any electricity. Hand weaving is done on pit looms or frame looms, generally located in weavers' homes. Fabrics woven out of hand-spun yarn on handlooms are called khadi, while mill-spun yarn woven on handlooms are called handlooms fabric. This is the weaver of handloom fabric. Apart from being important source of a livelihood, handlooms has remained savers of the various traditional inherited skills of weavers over generations. The level of artistic ability and sophistication achieved in handloom fabrics are unparalleled and only one of its kind. This is the weaver of the threads. So beautiful, colorful threads. Okay. Stages of weaving a sari. Now we'll learn about stages of weaving a sari. There is the most complicated part of the whole process is weaving, where the sari is woven on a handloom. Traditionally, Banaras saris are woven on jacquard pit looms. The tana, the longitudinal threads, are held in tension on the loom and lifted up. The bana, the latitudinal threads, are placed in the shuttle. The man is weaving a sari. Okay. It takes nearly 4 to 5 days to complete one sari. The length of a 10 saris wrap is loaded into the loom at a time. The weaver may need 1 or 2 persons help while working. Weaving process: sari design, jacquard card, dyeing, wrap and weft. First we'll learn about sari design jackpot card. Large sheet of brown cardboard is cut into rectangular shoots. Rectangular shoots are punched according to the design. Sheets. Sheets are punched according to the design on the graph paper, which is called jackpot cards. Jackpot cards are tied together, comprising of a design that needs to be sewn on the sari. Dye. Dyes are mixed in water. The yarn is processed and dyed. Wrapped and preparations. Another set of threads are rolled to spindles with help of spinning wheel, which becomes the weft threads. Threads are segregated and wrapped beam is loaded. Okay. Once I'll show the mind map of weaving process. Okay. The handloom is a set up and the process of wrap and weft creations. The sari and jackpot cards helps in creating the designs. Okay. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Devi Arts and Studies. And please don't forget to comment in comment section. If you are seeing the first time our videos, please don't forget to subscribe and click bell symbol. Thank you friends.